SAP IBP for maintenance, repair, and operations allows customers to create an integrated plan to ensure that maintenance parts and resources are available at the right place in the right time. Standard out-of-the-box integration with SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Asset Management and SAP Project System provide a holistic picture of maintenance requirements. To facilitate this integrated planning approach for maintenance planning, which we refer to as the maintenance and operations planning process, we use SAP IBP to first conduct a segmentation and demand analysis. This step includes part segmentation based on part criticality, as well as creating a forecast of required parts and resources. The primary facilitator for this step is an MRO planner or an inventory planner, while the main stakeholders include maintenance planners and the supply chain manager. Parts can be segmented by ABC code, cost, and lead time, which can in turn be used to determine the part risk score through an automated process in IBP for MRO. We can in turn then review these results through various analytics and visualizations. The subsequent step, inventory planning, considers the segmentations from the system and, in turn, maps the parts to a service level for downstream planning purposes. The system can determine the average usage of a part and considers the lead time to determine critical inventory parameters, such as reorder point and safety stock. The results are analyzed by the inventory planner or MRO planner, who then coordinates with the main stakeholders. In this phase of the process, potential safety stock savings are assessed, and current safety stock levels are compared against those recommended by IBP. Once inventory levels are confirmed, they are used by the supply planning operator alongside other relevant supply planning input parameters. Once our supply requirements are clear, a supply planning review is executed to address any projected issues with parts availability and assess potential resource capacity bottlenecks. The primary individuals involved in this step include the MRO planner and stakeholders from various departments such as procurement planning, maintenance planning, production planning, workforce planning, and supply chain management. This stage of the process allows team members to analyze the demand versus supply related to parts. The team is also able to review the projected capacity demand and resource utilization. The subsequent step in the maintenance and operation process focuses on analyzing financial data related to maintenance plans established in the upstream process steps. Here, financial and supply chain personnel can review the expected costs related to part and resource requirements determined in the supply planning step. These projected costs can be compared to the allotted maintenance budget. The team can use this system to explore additional opportunities to help improve the maintenance organization's performance. This comprehensive end-to-end process ensures that there are no silos in the organization. IBP for MRO allows maintenance, supply chain, procurement, and financial planners to work together in an integrated fashion to improve their organization's operating efficiency.